Robot vacuums have absolutely changed my life from a convenience perspective, and they just keep getting better and better. So today we're taking a look at the Narwal Flow from today's video partner, Narwal. This robot vacuum is stacked with great features, and if you didn't know, Narwal launched the first auto mop washing robot back in 2019, and they are introducing a new breakthrough mopping again this year. Now, old robot vacuums use flat mop or dual spinning mops, which often struggle with stubborn stains or in some cases even spreaded dirt. Well, the Flow uses a 113-degree Fahrenheit warm water to wash its thick track mop in real time, effectively lifting away tough dirt in one flow. So how does the Flow wash mopping system work? It's a 16-hole nozzle design that continuously and evenly sprays the 113-degree warm water from a built-in clean water tank. However, there's a powerful maintenance-free scraper that removes dirt in real time. Now, dirty water is instantly extracted and stored within a built-in dirt water tank with a stir, preventing residue and odors. And then there's the deep cleaning track mop system, which applies 12 Newton meters of pressure along with the 113-degree warm water for a wide, deep, and efficient cleaning in one pass. So when it comes to obstacle avoidance, the Narwal Flow uses the Twin AI Dodge Obstacle Avoidance, which is a dual camera module with two 136-degree ultra-wide color cameras which can detect 200 plus objects with millimeter level precision. The robot will understand every complexity of your home and use the most suitable cleaning methods. The Narwal Flow can easily navigate around toys, pet messes, table legs, and even thin wires. The Narwal Flow also features carpet focus tech. When carpet is detected, the brush cover automatically lowers to create a sealed high-pressure airflow zone, significantly boosting suction and lifting embedded dust and hair for a deeper clean. It automatically raises the mop to keep carpets dry and prevent unwanted moisture. And then there's Carpet Max mode, which activates high power suction and performs 2 zigzag passes to thoroughly clean carpet fibers from both directions. The Narwal Flow has a 22,000 PA suction power, which delivers multi-surface particle vacuuming, matching the performance of many cordless vacuums. There's a fully tangle-free system with Narwal's pioneering zero tangle design, engineered to solve long hair issues from side brush to roller brush, eliminating any need of manually cutting tangled hair on robot brushes. Now let's discuss the all-in-one multifunctioning base, which offers no clogs, no odors, and is ultra quiet. It features auto dust emptying, AI adaptive hot water mop washing, which can adjust from 113 degrees for regular dirt up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for oily dirt, which is identified by built-in sensors. Also reaches 176 degrees for sterilization. There's AI dirt sense, swappable filters, auto dock self-cleaning, hot air drying, auto tank refilling, and auto charging, taking a lot of worries off of your shoulders. The Flow also has edge cleaning, expandable side brushes reversing corners, ensuring a 99% debris removal. The track mop extends as well, ensuring edge coverage. The Flow can also lift itself to cross thresholds up to 1.6 inches at just 95 millimeters in height. Due to the Flow integrating its radar within body, it can access spaces under beds, cabinets, etc., eliminating your need to crouch and clean under hard to reach areas. And if that does not scream convenience, then I don't know what will, but I do know that you can click the links in the description below and pick up your Narwal Flow and enjoy the convenience of an industry-leading robot vacuum. And just on a side note, as someone who has used a ton of these vacuums, I gotta give props to the new track rolling mop system. It's very thorough, it's very flat against the floor, and the cleaning results that I saw personally are actually legit.